Good everyone, you're welcome to this channel and you're also welcome to this video. To my new and old subscribers, you're welcome to this channel. You're in the right place. Believe me, you're in the right place. Alright, so into this video, I'm going to show you how you can edit that kind of video. Hope you understand. How you can edit a video whereby something will come out from your head. I hope you understand. Yes, your head will be sliced and something will come out of it. It is very simple. So I want you to follow me step by step, and do not forget to share this video, drop your comments and like. So without wasting much of our time, let's go over to our CapCut. So here on CapCut, let's go over to our new project. So we are going to select the video. So this is how you are going to shot the video. You're walking, you do as if there's something inside your head. You just bend your head like that for a few seconds, and you will raise it up, and you will not feel relieved. That's as if something came out from your head. Hope you understand. So let's add this. Now what we are going to do here is make sure you record an empty scene. Make sure you record an empty background. I hope you understand. Now this empty background, we are going to freeze it. Yes, we are going to freeze it. Go select it and go over to freeze, because the empty space I recorded is not long. So I'm going to freeze it. It will be like an image. I hope you understand. Now select freeze. Can you see? So I have this, delete this. Now okay, come over here. You see this part that I'm about to enter, I don't want to show at all, so I'm going to split here and delete this place. I hope you understand that. Now select this video and go over to overlay. Yes, bring it to overlay. This is it. Select overlay and drag it here. I hope you understand. Please make sure you pay close attention. Now delete this CapCut watermark. Now as you can see, this empty background is already an image. So all you just need to do is to drag it to the end of the video. I hope you understand. Good. Just drag it to the end of the video. They are simple as that. So once you have it like this, now let's go over to that exact place that I bent my head. Yes, so we have to be careful. Good. Can you see this exact point? Now we are going to freeze this exact point, because this kind of effect can only work on an image. Please pay close attention. So now we are going to freeze it so that it will convert this exact point video to an image. Now select it and go over to freeze. Now this is it. Select freeze. Automatically we have it like this. Can you see? Good. Now come over to this rest of the video. I want to split out the parts that I don't want. Just pay attention. You see this part? Split it. I don't want this part again, because the only part I want is where he bends his head down, which I've already freeze. I've already have that one here. So this other part I don't want it. Just delete it. I hope you understand. Just delete it. Now drag this one here. I hope you understand. Now drag this one here like this. I hope you understand. So you can now delete, split this side and delete. Yeah, please make sure you pay close attention. Now we have this one as an image. Now the very first thing we're going to do, we need to remove the background. I hope you understand. Now select that image. As you can see, it has already turned to an image. Just notice something. Let me play so that you will notice it. Can you see? It has already turned to an image. So that is how it is. So select it and go over to remove BG. Select remove BG and select auto remover. Yes, select auto remover. Automatically the background will be removed. Now the background has been removed. Now the next thing we are going to do is select it and go over to mask. Yes, go over to mask. Now this is a mask here. Select mask and select horizontal. So once you select horizontal, you will now adjust this line to that point you want the head to slice. I hope you understand. So if you didn't get it well, you can bring this one down here so that you'll be able to see the exact point you want this thing to slice. I hope you understand. Now I'm okay with it like this. Now good. So once I'm done with that, just mark it. I hope you understand. So you have it like this. Now the next thing you're going to do is select this exact one and go over to duplicate. We need to duplicate it. Yes, we need to duplicate it. Now select duplicate. Now once you duplicate it, bring it down to this exact place where this other one is. Can you see? Now select the second one and go over to mask again. Please, if you didn't understand this video, all you just need to do is just go over to the beginning of the video and watch it again. I always try my best to make sure I explain the video in details. Please make sure I explain the videos in details. Please make sure you pay close attention. Now let's go over to mask. This is mask and what? Select invert. Once you select invert, you just click on mark. Please pay close attention. I hope you understand. Good. Now the next thing you're going to do is to select this first one and what? Go over to transform. Go over to transform. This is transform and select rotate. Good. Select rotate. So when you select rotate, just use your hand to increase this a little bit. Yes, increase it a little bit and bring it up here. Bring it up here. I hope you understand. So let's check it out. Here is it. Good. I hope you understand. So please make sure you pay close attention. So once you bring it to that edge, now the next thing we are going to do is we need to add our overlay. Yes, we need to add our overlay. I'm going to drop a link in the description. It is a Telegram group. Just once you go over to the Telegram group, you can message me on Telegram that you need the effect. I will send the green screen effect to you. Okay, so now what we're going to do is now let's add the green screen effect. Go over to add overlay. Go over to remove BG. Select it and go over to remove BG and select chroma key. Now move this circle here, move it to the green side. Can you see? So once you move it to the green side, now increase the intensity and increase the shadow too. Increase the intensity, increase the shadow. Let's check it out. So once you have done that, now what you are going to do is can you see that the length of the bed is is longer than the length of this image, these two images here. So what we are going to do is to adjust this here a little bit, and what, bring this one forward, extend this one, and also extend this one. I hope you understand. So good. So once you have it like this, now what you are going to do is you see this bed, you are going to set it to the extent that it will immediately the head open. That is when the bed will come out from the head. So now select this bed, bring it up here. Yes, bring it up here. Let it be like this. Good. So now what we're going to do is we are going to make it small. Use your two fingers to make it small. Bring it here. Make it small. So you are going to make use of your keyframe. Yes, we are going to use the keyframe. Yes, we are going to use keyframe. Now select it. At the beginning, give it a keyframe. Give it a keyframe. Now move it forward. Adjust it up so that it will come up. Okay, move it like this. Come like this. Let's check what we just did. Good. So now this. So now bring it back again. So immediately it's coming out, so you cannot use your two fingers to make it look more big. Hope you understand. So just like this. Good. So at this point, bring it up. Yes, bring it up. Now bring it up. So this one you can make it more big. Yes, you can make it more big. Like this. Let's check it out. Once you have it like that, now select the effect and go over to layer. Over to layer. We want to send it to the back. Now this is layer. Now go over to select back. Yes, select back. Now mark it and let's play it so that you see what we just did. So you can just decide to add a sound to it. Now if you want to add a sound, go over to your audio, go over to sound FX, over to sound FX and search for what? Bed. So you can decide to add this. Good, you can decide to add this. So at that point, you see. So at that point, this thing is off from my head. I will just delete the rest. I hope you understand. Good. So this is how to edit this video. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel, share this video, drop your comments, and don't forget, click on the post notification bell so that whenever I post a new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. Thank you for your time. I will see you in my next video.